If you are thinking about can I learn hacking with your Android phone, then I am here to help you. Yeah, you can learn the hacking with your Android phone. Before learning any hacking, you must know about what is hacking. Hacking generally means unauthorized access to any device or control over any network security system or control over any device. And all knows that in a Windows or in a iOS, Kali Linux provides hacking tools and the hacking environment for the PC or for the desktop. But for the Android, there is the app which provides the same environment and the same tool for the hacking purpose. The app name is Termux. You can just go through the description, there is the link, and you can download from there and install it, or you can simply search in the Google Play Store. Just search the Termux in the Google Play Store and just download and install it in your Android phone. Like I have already downloaded, so I'll just install it in my phone. It will just take a minute. After complete installation in a phone, this time is to run the commands. Like I will run a command like pkg update for the update of all the packages in the app and hit the enter. Now it will ask for the permission, just allow the permission. Now we are going to test this app, either this app is working or not. So we're gonna install any of the packages of this app. So first we will install the nmap. To install the nmap, just type apt install nmap and just hit the enter. It will ask for the permission and just allow it and hit the enter. Generally these packages used to check either the port of the any website is open or closed. This is the first step of hacking. Just check the port of any website. Like I will give this website to check the port of this website and just hit the enter. You can see the nmap is started. Nmap is scanning the ports of that website, either the ports of that website is opened or closed, or how many ports are opened or how many ports are closed. If you have the knowledge of ports, you can start hacking from here too. Like here is the result that two ports of that website is opened and the two of them are closed. Like we can say that this is the first step of the hacking. If you know about the ports, you can start hacking from here. If you don't know about the ports, like what are the ports, what are the proxy, then you can wait for my next video. I will be coming with the what are the ports and what are the proxy and much more like that. And for this tutorial, that's all. Please wait for my next video and please like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.